Hi everybody, hope you're well. Thanks for clicking on my channel. Well, I suspect you're here because you're very interested in purchasing one of these things behind me, which is the Weinor Sunroom. It's blowing about a force 5 or 6 out here at the moment, going up to about 50 knots or thereabouts according to the weather forecasters here. Quick rundown then, I've had my Weinor Sunroom since it was installed in the October of 2020. We're now February 2022. I've already done a few videos, 3 videos in fact, and the links are up here and in the description box down below as to what I think about it. Amazing product, and I would certainly recommend purchasing one if you're looking at getting it. But I just thought I'd do a very quick video just outlining some of the issues I've had with it, and there's not many, so it's nothing to worry about. I would still recommend buying one. Yeah, just we'll go inside and I'll show you some of the issues that I've had and how they've been rectified. So I think let's go inside and get out of this force 6 wind. So yeah, let's go inside, shall we? So here we are then, folks, inside the Weinor Sunroom. It's just a great place to be. It's a force 6 outside, as I mentioned when I was outside, blowing a hoolie, but in here it's just great. About an hour ago, inside my house, the family room, it was 21 degrees centigrade. We've got a wireless thermometer. The other receiver is under here. And about an hour ago, it was 11 degrees centigrade in here. So pop the heaters on, and already it's up to 17 degrees centigrade. So we've got 2 Weinor heaters on. They can be either low or high heat. I'm sat in here in a pair of jeans and my hoodie. But post-Christmas, I could be sat in here in a t-shirt and jeans with the heaters on, but I've got a bit of a Christmas bulge and that doesn't look very good whilst I'm wearing a t-shirt. But yeah, in here it's just a great place to be, and certainly my 2 German Shepherds, I think it's the best kennel that they've ever been in actually, so they certainly really enjoy it. Making this video just to show a couple of the issues we've had since we've had it installed. No biggies really. First thing that happened was the LED lighting bar on the ceiling. It had a mind of its own. We'd switch it on, and after about 30 minutes it would switch itself off, pop it back on again straight away. After 15 minutes it would switch itself off again, switch it on straight away, and after 60 seconds it would then switch itself off. So obviously an issue with that. We contacted the local dealer where we live who installed it, and the main installer came out and he identified that the power supply had failed, so they just installed a new power supply, and it's been fine ever since. So that was about 12 months into ownership. I believe, having looked at all the Weinor literature, the warranty is for 12 months. So that issue happened sort of bang on the 12 months, typical in my case. And then last month, January 2022, so a good few months out of the 12 months warranty, we had an issue with the vertical blind, in so much as that it would move about an inch and then stop, and in fact it had tripped the circuit breaker and knocking out any electrical items also on that same circuit. So obviously there was a problem there somewhere. So again, we called the local distributor. The main man came out, the main installer who did this install came out, plugged his magic box that he had from Weinor into it, and identified that the motor had failed. And he said it's very, very surprising that the motor has failed, as he certainly hasn't experienced any failed motors. So so maybe we're just unlucky, I don't know. He did say though that the motors were, he believed, warranted for 2 years, so I'm not sure about that. So we have a claim in with Weinor. They're going to send out a new motor and it'll get installed, hopefully all free of charge, although we are outside of the 12 months warranty that I believe we have with the product. I'm hoping that as Weinor are in a sort of top-end product, that they will honour the claim, as it's sort of not that far outside of the warranty period. And apparently the motor costs about £200 or thereabouts. So that's those 2 main problems. The other gripe I would have would be with the Weinor Buy Easy 5M remote control. It's a nice finish on it, piano gloss black. However, it's not colour fast, and if you knock it, then you scrape the top painted finish off and you go through to the white finish below. So maybe they should think about doing a remote control which is just like your common garden TV remote control, just a matte black finish, but the plastic is colour fast all the way through. So we've had this sunroom now for about a year, not quite a year and a half. Yeah, I used to clean it like a new car, excuse me, but with 2 German Shepherds with hairs going all over the place. We live in the countryside. There's a field over here. When the farmers are play on the fields, we get dust everywhere. And in the end, I couldn't be bothered. So I may clean it once every 3 months now on the outside. But just like a new car, you clean it very frequently and then you can't be bothered. So I'm at that I can't be bothered stage now. The only thing I do from time to time is, because you get a lot of, because we're still outside, in an outside space, you get a lot of insects and spiders with cobwebs and things. So get the hoover out and just hoover any of the large cobwebs out as well. But any other kind of stuff, I think I've made comments in the previous video. So that's it, folks. If you're looking at getting a Weinor sunroom, get out there, get down to your local dealer and get your order in now, so it'll be ready for summer 2022. Cheerio, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's been of interest. Give it a big thumbs up. Any comments, make in the comment section down below, and it would be great if you'd subscribe to the channel. Take care. See you again soon. Bye.